Hi, today I'm going to show you my winter village complete, almost, and my whole city. So stay tuned, and it's coming up right after this. Hey everyone, I just want to do a little video on my winter village here, how it turned out. So what we got down here. Yesterday I placed the gingerbread house. So found out it wouldn't fit underneath the tree. Didn't have there was more legs underneath the tree than I thought there were, so I couldn't get underneath there. So I put it right here, pretty much next to the Star Wars. And we got the Santa's Village, or Santa's Visit. I actually hung up Santa Claus there, which I'm actually going to be upgrading that with 8 reindeer and a new, it's the Santa sleigh set. We'll buy 2 of them first this month. And then the elf house. And I added a bunch of other things there. Yeah, I got the Steamboat Willie sitting there in front of it. It's part of the Amusement Park, which is a very large area. I got the Star Wars area here with 2 fighting up here, hanging up. Got my roller coaster, which I was planning on upgrading the roller coaster, but it's going to take so much work, it's probably going to take a while. That's what this is over here, the Bowser's Castle there. Then you got the Home Alone, which I just watched that the other day. And so, then I got some creative expert buildings there, along with the farm barn. That kind of goes with the blue one there. Barn for it that I built myself. It actually lights up. That's with the little battery packets in there. And I tried to make it straight here somewhat. Well, it was the big ones here in the way. It's a little hard to do that. Gotta find a place for those sooner or later. And I moved the city up the other day. The main buildings here. So I got a whole street going around here. Pretty packed street. There's a train, which still isn't running. I have batteries, but I can't find them. A whole package of batteries, and I'm going to have the Assembly Square Center back here. I'm actually thinking about moving that over, like a half base plate over, and putting half base plates in the middle. That way I can have maybe a 16 by 16 on each side here, and then have an empty area in the middle of maybe like a park or something like that for them. So that's pretty much my city how it is now. Sooner or later I'll get the train running again if I can find that package of batteries again. And hopefully I can get that ready for Christmas. Next up, I got to build some type of a holiday Christmas train going around here. All the parts that I have. I do have one train that I was planning on putting in here, but it was the Halloween one. I was going to convert it into like a Christmas train of some sorts. That way I can go around the tree here. So yeah, that's my holiday village, and I hope you like it. Subscribe, like this video, and leave any comments. Let me know what you think. Or if you think there might be a better way to do this. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.